Good morning, dears. Today we are going to discuss electricity and circuit part 4. Today's topics are conductors and insulators. Based on the conduction of electricity, materials are classified into two categories. The first one is conductor and the second one is insulator. Conductor is a material that allows current to pass through it. For example, metals are good conductors of electricity. A few non-metals like graphite is also conductor of electricity. And our human body is a good conductor of electricity, and water also a good conductor of electricity. Conductive materials are used in making wire as they conduct electricity. Next category is insulator. Materials which do not allow electric current to pass through them are called insulators of electricity. Some examples are rubber, plastic, wood, glass, air, cotton and jute. Observe these pictures carefully. The first picture, instead of a switch, there is an iron nail. But in the second picture, instead of a switch, there is a pencil. And we can see that the bulb is glowing in the first picture, and the second picture the bulb is not glowing. That means the first picture is a closed circuit. The electricity passes through the iron nail. That is why the bulb is glowing. So we can say that iron nail is a good conductor of electricity. What about the second picture? There we can see a pencil. The wires are connected to a pencil. So the pencil not conduct electricity. That is why the bulb is not glowing. So we can say that pencil is an insulator. The same way, look these pictures carefully. The first picture, bulb is not glowing, but in the second picture, the bulb is glowing. In the first picture, we can see that there is a gap. That is, air is there, so that air does not conduct electricity, so the bulb is not glowing. So the air is an example of insulator. But in the second picture, we can see that a metal key. We have already discussed that all metals are good conductors. So this key conducts electricity. That is why the bulb is glowing. Explain why the bulb would not glow in this arrangement. Can you see what is the reason? Yes, there is a screwdriver. The handle of the screwdriver is made up of plastic. And we have already know that plastic is a insulator. The same way, look these pictures too. The first one, we can see that the bulb is glowing. The second one, bulb does not glow. Because in the first one, current can flow easily because the wires are connected to the metal. But in the second one, the wires are connected to the plastic handle. So the first one is a conductor, but in the second one, there is an insulator. Here there is another question. Why do electricians wear rubber gloves while working? We know that human body is a good conductor of electricity. So, if the electricians are not using these rubber gloves, what will happen? Yes, this rubber is an insulator which acts as a barrier against electric shocks. Another question, the handles of the tools like screwdrivers and pliers used by electricians for repair work usually have plastic or rubber covers on them. Can you explain why? Yes. Rubber and plastic are bad conductors of electricity. Bad conductor means they are insulators. So they do not allow current to pass through them. Thus, they protect electricians from electric shocks while working. My dear students, please make an electric circuit, and by using these objects, find out which are conductors, which are insulators.